Maroon!
Maroon team.
Verde.
Color maroon. Ayan na sila. Tumataginting na 5.
Congratulations! Sino ba kasama sila?
Ayan, doon naman tayo sa champion.
Ayan.
Ready na sila. Pumalakpak na sila eh.
At ang champion!
Sa volleyball ay walang iba.
Kundi ang
Team
Y!
Let's go! Wala.
Walang...
Ay, dapat pala kasama. Ayan. Wait. Ayan. So, punta na po doon. Yung mga tinrate mo yung mga nag-spike sila. Wow. Ay. Taga 5,000 kayo dyan ha.
Hindi humirap na sana kayo. Hindi pa nga. Ako. Uwi ka na.
We have certificate of recognition. This certificate is represented to Ian Darrell Velasco for his remarkable performance as the best open spiker in men's volleyball during the Santa Resort Sports League. Given the 2nd of January 2026 at Santa Resort Natividad, Pangasinan. Signed, Punong Barangay, John M. Villorta, SK Chairperson, Angelica D. Barsicola. Again, nasungkit din po niya ang
Another certificate is awarded to Cyril Banyaga for his remarkable performance as the best opposite spiker in men's volleyball during the SK Santa Resort Sports League. Cyril Banyaga. Another certificate is presented to Edison Purpose for his remarkable performance as the best center in men's volleyball during the SK San Macarisur Sports League.
Ano na naman?
Ayan, congratulations.